Hello, teacher. My name is Juan Sebastián Delgado Martinez. I will do the presentation for step 3 of the task for Let's Talk. Step 3 Pronunciation Activity. Talking about my tourist destination. Choose at least 5 questions and answers 10 here. F 1F. What was the most amazing activity you did on your trip? What did you do? Um, the most incredible activity I did on my trip was to head to know different places, municipalities, and new cities with beautiful architecture and landscapes. I made it a very long travel route from Agua Casanare to Cali Valle of Cauca, passing through several departments of the country, making bread of 3 days in Aguas Caldas and 3 days in La Unión Valle of Cauca, getting to know different places, foods, and cultures. 2. She. What was the most expensive place you visited in your city? Um, the most expensive place I visited in the city, it was a fairly well off cafeteria with very delicious appetizers and dishes. 3. Uh, what was the cheapest place you visited in your city? Um, the cheapest place to visit in the city is the city center, such as the main park, the popular square, the local shops. 4. What are the best things that have happened to you during your trip? Mention 2. Uh, 1. The best things that happened to me on the trip was to look at the neighborhood of Ruiz from a good location, look at many landscapes, and enjoy the gastronomic and cultural variety. 2. Get to know the city of Manizales and its surroundings as the heritage municipalities of Colombia, Salamina, and Aguas of Caldas. 5. Uh, what are the worst things that have happened to you during your trip? Mention 2. 1. Of the things that happened on the trip was the traffic jammed on the road. The trip was very long and the fatigue was excessive. The other bad experience during the trip was getting lost geographical on one of the roads of the trip. I felt some fear and despair. Thank you.